Here we have an absolutely stunning 2005 Ford Mustang. It's a Saleen S281 Supercharged Coupe. Man, these cars look great. And this one just came in to us, just as you see it. It's got about 32,000 miles is all. And boy, don't expect this one to last very long. Some of the things that you'll notice that stand out on a supercharged Saleen car are the what's called the heat extractor hood, which gives you the vents at the top there. Now this particular one, the previous owner did add kind of a Saleen Extreme style extra splitter on the front end, which gives it just even a little more sporty look. Yeah, this car is absolutely stunning. It's the silver with the chrome really stands out. And of course, the black accents outside, black leather interior with the Saleen stitch seats. This car just screams, "Look at me and let's go have some fun." So these cars are powered by a 4.6 liter supercharged V8. They're 435 horsepower. And to me, when I drive these, it feels like it's even more than that. They really sit. And the best thing about the Saleens, if you haven't owned a Saleen before, is the handling. You know, everybody thinks it's just great about the body cladding and the wheels and things like this, but let me tell you something. You take on your buddy with a Shelby GT500 or a regular GT Mustang and take this car through a couple of curves, and I promise you your buddies will not keep up with you because of how these cars perform with the suspension and everything that they have. Interior, like I said, got the black leather in it. Saleen stitch seats. Those are in great shape. No signs of premature wear really or anything like that on the driver's seat especially. Sometimes you got to watch for that, but this one looks fantastic. You can see the dash is flawless up there on the top. Now another thing, those gauges that are on the top of the dash, those are from Saleen. Those are not, you know, aftermarket installed by an owner. Those come from Saleen on the supercharged cars. In fact, this is car number 1413. 1413 is the number of this car. And all the Saleens were numbered. See, the headliner's in good shape. There's a non-smoker car, so there's no weird odors or anything like that. The back seat in these cars rarely get used, and this one's the same way. As you can see, the leather's in great shape as well. Now, you can see all the still pictures of this car on our website at uniqueclassiccars.com. I will pause the video here shortly. I'm going to open the hood and we'll fire this one up so you can hear how it sounds.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Okay, hood's open. We'll get her fired up here. She's in neutral. There we go. That was just the airbag off light that lights up when you start the car. There's no lights on, no check engine lights or anything like that. Let's take a look what we got out here. Again, under the hood, you've got a 4.6 liter supercharged V8 pushing out 435 horsepower. And like I mentioned earlier, when you drive this car, it feels like more than that. It really does. Very clean and tidy under the hood, as you can see. No stray oil or anything like that. Seems to be a very well cared for car. Previous owner did also put the clear bra on the nose. That's what you see this line here, is that clear plastic protectant to keep the bugs and rock chips from dinging your paint. So this one already has the clear protection on the front. Well worth the money, and fortunately this one's already got it on it, so you don't have to worry about it. Just a nice sound, not obnoxious, but you rev it up and it lets you know you're in business, put it that way. All right, so again, you can see all the still pictures of this car on our website at uniqueclassiccars.com. Trade-ins are considered, financing is available, and extended warranty is available on this car to help protect it after your purchase as well.